हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द बेस्ट फ्रेंड कन्वर्सेशन TVC। आज की इस वीडियो का जो टॉपिक है वो है कलेक्शन इन जावा। इट्स अ पार्ट 1। जो पूरी वीडियो की सीरीज होने वाली है वो थोड़ी लंबी है एज अ टॉपिक। कलेक्शन इज इटसेल्फ अ वेरी लार्ज टॉपिक, सो इट्स अ पार्ट 1 वीडियो। सो कंटेंट ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो इज array versus collection. This is followed by what is collection, and the last but not the least, hierarchy of collection framework. So this is the content which we will cover in this video. So let's move to our first topic, that is array versus collection. So arrays versus collection. In this topic we will know why we use collection when we have arrays. So the size of array is fixed, that is, once we created or declared the array with some size, we cannot make any changes after its declaration. But in collection, the size is dynamically increases or decreases. That is, it automatically enlarged and shrunk its size when any object entered or removed respectively. Array can hold only the same type of data in its collection, that is, only homogeneous elements. But in collection, we can hold both homogeneous as well as heterogeneous elements. Arrays can have primitive data types as well as objects in the collection. But in collection interface, we can only have objects in the collection, not any primitive data type, that is int, float, double. We cannot collect them in our collection. We can only have objects in our collection. So what is collection? The collection interface is the foundation upon which the collection framework is built. So the collection interface is the base upon which all the collection framework, that is set, queue, list, that all are built on the collection interface. The foundation is collection interface. The Java collections framework standardizes the way in which group of objects are handled by your programs. We can handle the group of objects with the help of collection framework. That is a standard way how collection framework is work, and it is easy by the programmer to use the and group the objects. The collection framework was designed to meet several goals. The first one is the implementation of fundamental collection are highly efficient. So it is easy to use the collection for the collection of objects and implementation of collection in our program. It is highly efficient. We can extend or adapt the collection very easily. We can extend the collection interface to work on the collection, and we can adapt it very easily. So it is easy to use by the programmer, hence we use collection. So what is the hierarchy of collection? The collection interface itself extend the iterable interface, and all the other interface like list, queue, set, dequeue, and sorted set extend the collection interface. And all the classes, that is array list, linked list, vector, priority queue, and tree set, has set, these all implements their respective interface. For example, ARRAYS implements the list interface, priority queue implements the queue interface, and hasset implements the set interface. So this is the hierarchy of collection, and here we end the first part of our video collection. So thank you for watching this video.